Saturday, December 26th here in Ottawa. Boxing Day. For many Canadians, an opportunity to go out and hit the malls and take in the sales, which can get you best prices of the year on some items, especially electronics and things like that. Except conditions today are not so conducive for going out. What we have here is freezing rain. Pretty nasty stuff, very inconvenient. So we're just going to see if we can get underway here and take it from there. About a quarter-inch of ice on this car, but you Canadians are pretty tough. Well, I feel kind of stupid for living here because this isn't fun. The main roads will have been salted, so they'll be safe to drive. It's just the side streets that'll be slippery. You just have to go slow and anticipate. I need a new phone, that's why I'm doing this. Only 364 shopping days till Christmas. Fortunately, the temperature is right around 0 degrees, 32 Fahrenheit. Otherwise, this would be a lot tougher and probably not worth it. Well, my gloves are totally soaked, my hands are frozen, the rain has started to seep through my coat, but we're ready for the orgy of consumerism called Boxing Day.